Hello everyone. Today, let's delve into the world of electronics and explore the fascinating realm of zero-crossing detectors. We'll be using the reliable 741 operational amplifier for this circuit. Similar to our previous discussions on amplifiers, the zero-crossing detector is a specialized circuit that plays a crucial role in applications requiring precise timing. To build our zero-crossing detector, we'll need the 741 operational amplifier IC, a few resistors. So in the circuit, connect the pin 7 to positive terminal of VCC, which is equal to 15 volts. Connect the pin 4 to negative terminal of VCC. Connect pin 6 to output and connect the pin 2 to ground. Connect pin 3 to function generator. Here I'm keeping amplitude as 4 volts with 1 kHz frequency. Here's the key. Our zero-crossing detector outputs a signal or pulse every time the input crosses 0 volts. This is achieved by setting up the operational amplifier in a comparator configuration. As the input signal crosses the reference voltage, it triggers the output. Observe the blue waveform. That is our input signal. Now, take a look at the green waveform. That is square in shape. Observe that as soon as the input crosses 0, there will be change in output graph. For more such videos, do subscribe the channel.